finna go get my coochie lasered. Hey guys, this is Melissa. She's so cute. Hey guys. She's doing my laser and hopefully I don't cry.
Great.
Okay, we're ready. Okay. I'm ready. Okay.
Alright, I'm gonna try one little spot here. Right here, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3. How does that feel?
That's fine.
Do you feel heat?
No.
Do you feel snap?
A little bit.
A little bit? Okay, so I'm gonna go here.
Is there like air blowing on that?
Yeah, you feel a little bit of cryo, cold rush of air prior to the snap.
That's cool.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. How does that feel?
That's more like a snap.
Okay, good. Is it too much? Is it tolerable?
It's tolerable.
Okay, yeah, if it ever gets too intense, let me know. We'll change the setting.
Okay.
Let's start.
Wow.
You're doing it.
We'll come back later when this gets more intense. Just had to dry shave because my shit was too long. Okay, so I have a really terrible ingrown and she says if she snaps it, it'll die.
Yes.
Okay.
If there's hair, we'll kill the hair. And sometimes if there is like a pimple, if there's bacteria, then it kills the bacteria.
Okay, guys, let's go. I brought the stim toy. You tell me what.
Okay.
I'm scared.
You want 2, 3?
Ah! Okay, that wasn't too bad. No.
Good. That was the majority of it.
Okay, great.
Perfect.
Okay, great.
There's no reason to overshoot it. So we're just going around.
Correct.
And
Okay.
the front side's all done. How did it go?
Wow, that wasn't too bad. Although you guys did miss me jumping. I feel like I was like this. Okay, so after she after she zapped my ingrown hair that I have right now, it was over fast. She did the back door, and then I was like, okay, so now we get dressed and here we go. Okay, so it's 9:41. I got here at 9. Well, I got here like 8:45. But the appointment was at 9. Overall experience was really great. I'm gonna give the overall experience, I don't know, 8.5 out of 10. I think that's fair. It was really chill, really calm, nice environment, super clean, very professional. And I didn't at all feel like pushed to, go harder than I needed to go. The person servicing me, Melissa, was super duper nice and like personable and friendly. So def recommend. I'll be coming back in 4 weeks in December. I'll be coming back in 4 weeks in December. And yeah, I'm so excited. And next time I know not to come with a hairy ass puss and I'm so fucking embarrassed because she's like, so like, yeah, like how hairy are you right now? Like, she's explaining to me how the laser works when you've got like, stubble versus bald versus long hair. And I was like, oh, like, it can't be that long. Like, it's short. So she's searching my inner thigh and she's like, yeah, girl, we could rebook this or you could dry shave. And I was like, not me thinking that like what I consider short is like technically still long. So I dry shaved the puss mid-appointment and that was like the most rocker thing I've done in like a year. Dry shaving the puss, crazy. Especially somewhere that's not my house. So yeah, cool appointment, great appointment, highly recommend. Did I even rate the pain yet? I don't think I did. Let's give the pain like a 6 to a 7 out of 10. It's honestly not terrible. Waxing is worse and it takes longer. But there were certain areas where I was like, ooh, ooh. And then other areas like my asshole that I was like, yo, this just feels like someone's going like on my butt. So, it's a pretty goated experience. I liked this. It was good. I'm excited to come back and I will, if you guys want, I'll vlog next time too. See you.